Now for my finishing touches, a few things I could do is I could of course maybe add a few more levels on my options there. And if I wanted maybe say a different colour at the end of a level, well that would be absolutely fine. But what I'd have to do is I have to put in another control for that. So say if this one had a different colour, maybe red say, bucket that in. I'll just have to make sure that my script on Scratchy the Cat will do the same thing for if you was touching that colour. So I know that will move it to the next level because it's that one. So I'll just duplicate it, and the copy, you can just change that colour to that red one there. So that'll do the same thing as this bit here. Just move it on. One of the other things to do, I could of course add another baddie, and I can right click on my Ghoul and maybe duplicate him. Let's call him Ghoul 2, and we don't want him to appear straight away on the next level there. I'm going to add in something slightly different for him. I'll maybe make him glide a little bit slower, because otherwise it'll be going around the same place and doing the same things as the other one. So let's change him a little bit. It'll be a little bit quicker on that one as well. Maybe change these a little bit. Can add in some slightly different things, maybe some random numbers, which is quite good fun, because that makes it a little bit more dangerous to know where he's going to be. So I can just drop in some random ones here and there. There we go. Let's say 1 to 240, 1 to 200. Let's say minus 200. There we go. So there's some random places that he'll move. Now also, because he's not going to come in from anywhere, is he? Because he's not got a broadcast to set him off. I only want this second Ghoul's coming on level 3. So let's see. Let's see. I've got my level 2. I've changed the colour of that one to red. So basically, when Scratchy gets along and touches red, as well as broadcasting next level to change the background, I can also get him to do a new broadcast, and I'll just say I'll just call this either level 3 or Ghoul 2 for level 3. Press OK, and then over to Ghoul 2 to get him to show and start doing what he does. I'll when he pop in there when I receive Ghoul 2 for level 3, then he should appear now on level 3. So let's see, if I go at the end of level 1, woohoo, next level. Okay, that's great, and of course my first fellow turns up. Ooh, quick run away. There we go, now level 3, there's 2 ghouls, and as you can see, he does move slightly differently, and he's staying about the same sort of place at the moment. As you can see, they're a little bit different there, aren't they? Because he's got that random control on him. As you can see, they split off now. So there's no telling where he'll go. That'll make it a little bit more challenging. You can do the same, carry on adding more ghouls, making the game a little bit more scary. As you can see, it's gone back to level 1 now. So if I added a few more levels, that would make it, of course, a bit more challenging, because the script on that just keeps sending it around the different ones. You could also try and work out some script maybe to have an end screen to say what happened at the end, but I'll leave you to work that out and have a play with the different controls and looks and see how you do it. Okay.